Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We are at another failed waterproof deck, of course a tile deck, and as we're beginning to open it all up, we'll show you all the damage that's down below. But there wasn't adequate slope on this. It's got a low spot in the middle. There was flashing that was done incorrectly along the perimeter. There's one place I can show you a very obvious flaw and problem. This is the stuff we run into all the time. There's been leaks here. The Tyvek paper was flashed behind the roof flashing, so when water comes down, it went down into the wall down below. And if you come over here and you look at the waterproofing system, we'll show you a crazy detail. This is where the lovely people ended the membrane. They literally only came up about the height of the tile, and the building paper just sits there, so when water gets behind the wall, it now goes behind the membrane as if the membrane didn't even exist. So this was a faulty and poor installation. We see this stuff all the time. So all this is coming up. Reslope it, resubfloor it, and let's take a look at what has happened down below, because this is what happens with failed waterproof decks, failed tile decks. We had to build a ramp. There's nice kind of waterfall here for the pool. Nice pool. Took off the gutter, and what you see is a lot of leaking from the original deck. And let's start over here, and you can see all the rot on the underside there, all the rot in the fascia, and the bigger damage is we had to take off all this lattice work that was here, but all the water leaked down from this section of the deck, and it pretty much destroyed this load-bearing supporting wall. All the framing is rotted. You can see all the rot in the shear wall, and if you put your hand back up here, this is the top of the framing, you can see all the rot coming out. So all this has to come out. It's completely destroyed, and you can see the water staining. And if you come over here, that's all rotted back in there. And if we come inside, this was all closed up, and you have to take out all this, reframe it. This is all dry rot in the corner here. Re-shear wall it. All this gets rebuilt. And let's see if I can give you, yeah, you can get a better picture of all the rot. Top of that plate's all rotted. The rot's all throughout the wall here. And then when we start demoing the deck, we've got another set of issues. We've got a sprinkler system, heating system here, and what we've done is we've taken it, and instead of letting this kind of free swing, we actually supported it. We put in a post system to pick up the load off of the joist, and then we can decouple it, so when we bang on it, it's not going to be banging this whole thing. And then we're also going to do the corresponding thing with this refrigeration system that's actually for the wine room. So a lot of moving pieces here, but this is what we do. This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, and we'll keep you posted as we get through all of the lovely repairs. And there's the famous Alex and Fernando. And depending on what day of the week it is, Fernando tells Alex what to do, and then sometimes Alex tells Fernando. Anyway, these guys do a great job. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, and we'll keep you posted. Thank you.